Micheal Carrick has been appointed as Man United manager for the rest of the 25-26 season. So today, I will be continuing the 25-26 season using Man United as Micheal Carrick. First, I want to sign a midfielder to replace Casemiro. So I found no other than Elliot Anderson to replace him. So let's try to sign Elliot Anderson. So now that we signed Anderson, let's make our best lineup. Now, let's play against Chelsea in our first game in mid-season, so...
The scene is set. We are
With
ready
imagination,
to go.
a wonderful
Well,
creative brain and a real boldness to try the outrageous.
Just try stuff. Caicedo. Now surely. And now they're faced with a counter-attack. He'll have a dip! Was on the back foot. He's off on a marauding run. Wonderful!
To the bench.
And the break is on. And somehow he has kept that out. Crosses it in. No mistake! Deep into first half stoppage time. A crucial goal. Even some of the opposing fans are clapping that. You just have to appreciate it. Micheal. The whistle has gone and it is all over.
A draw played out here. No one could come up with the all-important strike. It was their finishing.
Now let's also play that game against Tottenham.
The action has already started. He's on a charge, but he's on his own for now. What big chance to get at them. Oh, that's brilliant! A finish right from the top draw.
Impossible to stop him scoring.
It's on a plate. And the shot! He looks at his watch and blows his whistle.
A tremendous performance here. Did exactly what was asked of them, and they've come up with a wonderful win.
Great that we won our first win in the episode against a big team. So now let's play against Everton.
So off we go then. He's on a charge, but he's on his own for now. It's in! And finally he has breathed life into the game!
In stopping that.
Really well taken goal. And that could well be the winner!
Well, he can produce a goal like that out of nothing. Marvellous right-footed shot.
King. And the shot! And blows his whistle.
They've managed to win here after having played out of their skins today.
Now, let's make our first simulation. We won the game after simulation, so now let's play against Leeds United.
The scene is set. We are ready to go.
Is to try the outrageous.
Just try stuff.
Audacity is normal for him.
Back of the net! A finish right from the top draw!
Oh, he really is such a handful for any defence.
But still, he just read it. And there goes the whistle.
Well, it really could have gone either way. They were slightly unlucky, perhaps.
We were so bad in that game with 0 shots on target, but for now, let's simulate the next game. We sadly lost 2-1, but now let's play against City.
So we're up and running. Oh, great chance! Gets into the right position to intercept. So it's ended in a draw, craft and graft and everything apart from a winning goal that...
Now, we are in 5th, which is a Champions League spot, which is okay. But now, let's simulate next game. We won 2-0, so now let's play against Arsenal.
So it's away we go then.
A huge Russian star, no doubt about that. A joy to watch for me, and so many strings to his bow. He can pop up.
Chance is broken down, and now they're faced with a counter-attack. Havertz, reckless shot. Played into space out wide. He's off on a marauding run. So nothing between them after all of that, and you can't really argue with the result.
Now that we won against Arsenal, so let's play against Sunderland.
So it's away we go then. Oh, taken with style! Oh, it really is a finish of the highest order!
I just think in mid...
Looking for space out wide. Showing up brightly down his flank. Swung over into the middle. It's on a plate. And he scores! Just one goal in it now! Game on!
Just so good. He knew exactly where he wanted to put that, straight into the right hand.
He'll hit it! Driving on, he could shoot here!
Well, he'd be hoping that miss won't come back to haunt him by the end of the game.
Big chance here! And there goes the whistle.
Honours even then between these two sides, neither team able to come up with...
Now let's simulate the next game against Bournemouth. We won 3-1 against Bournemouth, and now let's play against Liverpool.
We have already started here. He's left his man. Through ball. In comes the delivery. Brilliant! They needed something special, and my word, they've got it!
Just so good.
Chiesa.
Now unable to put away their chances.
We lost 1-0 against Liverpool. I will be simulating the next 3 games against West Ham, Brighton, and Fulham, and then play the final game against Crystal Palace.
So it's down to business here. Looking to shoot. And it's a goal! Oh, look who scored it! It had to be him!
But that doesn't tell the full story.
Oh, that's brilliant! They have escaped the jaws of defeat at the very last! It's incredible!
Yeah, I thought the run was really neat and tidy, but he still had a lot.
Chips it! Is there any support? He might not need it! No mistake! And the game... And he's there to hoof it away. And he scores! Surely that has won it! A massive strike! Watch and blows his whistle.
Nothing could separate these sides. The players, credit to them, put in plenty of effort.
That was the end of the episode that ended realistically with us being in 5th and qualifying for UCL. So if you liked that episode, don't remember to like and subscribe, and thank you.